Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to transfer money from Binance to CoinBase. So the first step is go to the app of wallet of CoinBase. You pick here in wallet, and now you need to pick here in receive. So you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin. The only thing you need to do is copy the direction of your wallet here. You copy that in your clipboard, and now you need to go to Binance app. So here in the Binance app, you need to go to the down part in the option of the wallets. So you pick here in wallets, and now you need to go to the option of spot. So in this case, you need to put here in deposit, and in deposit you need to put the direction of the wallet and choose the Bitcoin, choose the currency you want to transfer to your wallet. So that's it. That's the process. This is a test account, so I don't continue to the process, but this is the resume of the problem. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.